Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that can elevate your projects to the next level, the WETOLS Corner Clamp. If you're looking for precision and ease in your woodworking, this 90-degree right-angle clamp is a game changer. Imagine effortlessly holding your pieces in place while you work. With its adjustable spring-loaded design, this clamp ensures a secure grip, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating. Whether you're framing photos, building furniture, or tackling projects, this tool is your reliable partner. What makes the WETOLS Corner Clamp stand out? It's not just about functionality, it's about making your woodworking experience smoother and more enjoyable. The bright orange color adds a fun touch to your toolkit, making it easy to spot when you need it. Plus, with 4 clamps in a set, you'll have plenty of support for all your projects. And let's not forget, this clamp makes for a thoughtful gift. If you're searching for the perfect birthday present for dad or any woodworking enthusiast in your life, look no further. It's practical, useful, and shows you care about their passion. So, if you're ready to enhance your woodworking game, consider adding the WETOLS Corner Clamp to your collection. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tools to inspire your next project. Happy woodworking!